Bravo news to get to this week. I feel like I say that every week, but as we know, big split coming out of Beverly Hills, Kyle Richards and Mauricio, and we hear that they have no immediate plans to go down the road of divorce, but it's worth noting that they don't have a prenup. So as we know that in their 27 years of marriage, they both have accumulated a great deal of wealth, but with no prenup in place, what exactly happens if they do decide to divorce?
This is going to be a very expensive divorce if they decide to litigate it, because of course, California is a community property state, which means all that wealth they've accumulated together over decades, that has to be split 50-50 in the absence of a prenup. So we're talking about a very significant community property award that has to be made in this case.
Interesting. So it doesn't matter who made what over the course of their marriage. It will just be divided 50-50 if they don't have a prenup in place.
California, everything is presumptively community property. There's some exceptions, of course, if something is a gift to one spouse or it's inherited by one spouse. But anything that's earned, it can be real estate, it could be proceeds from the Housewives franchise, that all goes into the community, and that's all divided equally 50-50 upon divorce.
So it can't really get nasty, is what you're saying? Just expensive?
Expensive is probably a better word than nasty. I mean, we know these Hollywood divorces, these Beverly Hills divorces can get nasty. I probably should have said expensive, So this is one of those cases where, the divorce may be, the divorce award here, or if you're talking about the community property award, may be millions, tens of millions, or even hundreds of millions of dollars, depending on how much that estate is worth.